Well, now I'm going to discuss about the third data type which stores the values in the Python, which is actually set. Well, set is unordered and it is unchangeable. Unlike in the list and the tuple, we have discussed that the indexes of the list and tuple will start with 0. But in the set, it's not going to start with a 0. Rather, it is unchangeable, means you cannot able to change any values of it, but you can able to update and you can able to remove those. For example, here first of all I create the set. Here we have x equal to, we use flower braces, the braces for creating the set. Here we have the value as 1 2 3 3, and this is how we are going to create the set. After that, I'm going to print the length of this particular set, in which I am going to use len x. After that, I am going to print the type. Actually, we are going to get type as a set, and apart from this, we can able to go for looping and we can able to add the elements. First of all, I will show you only these two things, in which I am going to run the program, and you are going to get actually length as a 3 and type as set. Here we got the class set as a type and 3 as an length of the set. After this, we can able to go for adding a new element into a set. We can able to add a new element into a set using a method, in which I just remove this particular thing and I use print, and then I use x dot add. In the add, we can able to use the r. When I use r, it is going to add a new element into that particular thing. Well, I just remove this. First of all, we have to add, then we have to print the x, then only it is going to give us output. I just save it and I just run the particular program, and you are going to get a 1 2 3 and r, and this is how we go with the add method. After that, we have the update method. Instead of using the add, if I use update and I just save it, it is going to update that particular x with the new value of r. That's what we got as 1 2 3 and r. And this is how we are going to go with the update and add method of this set. We have only used only one string. Instead of that, if I use a new set here, we can able to update that. For example, I use y equal to 5 6 7. I just save it, and here in the update value I just use a y and I just run the program. Well, you are going to get 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 and 5 6 7 as a new set, and this is how we are going to go with it. And after that, we are going to use the remove method, in which I am going to just use the remove. I just use remove here, and I am going to add 0 or 3, and I am going to take out this part and I just save it. And run it. When I run it, it is going to remove this 3 and it is going to give us only values 1 2. As you can have a look at here, it has gave us a value as 1 2, and this is how we are going to remove that particular element which is present in the set. And we have another method also here, in which we are going to use discard, and I just save it and run it. Well, using the discard, we can able to remove that particular element. And not only that, we have the pop method. Whenever we use any pop method, it is going to remove the first element of that set. Well, it is going to remove 1, therefore we are going to get a 2 3 as an answer. And when I use clear, it is going to clear every element which is present in that particular set, and thus we are going to get a blank element which is actually a set. And this is how we are going to go with the remove method in the set. And next we have the two methods, union and update, in which we are going to add up two of the set. For example, here I am going to use y equal to 4 5 6 and I just save it. Then after this I am going to use a method in which I am going to use x dot union, and under which I am going to use a y, and I just run the program, and it is going to add up both 1 to 3. Wait a second. Well, I haven't assigned anything. Actually we have to assign a variable, then we have to use x dot union, then it is going to give us a whole set in which we got answer as 1 2 3 4 5 6. And after this we are going to use the update method, in which instead of the union we are going to use update, and I just save it. And when I run that program, well, we are not getting, well, we got answer as 1 2 3 and 4 5 6 when we use x dot update of y. And this is how we are going to discuss the joining of a two set. Well, now I am going to discuss about the intersection update and intersection and symmetric difference and symmetric difference update. Well, whenever you are comparing the two set, for example here we have the x and next we have the y, and well, I am going to use 1 3 and 4. I just save it. Here 1 and 3 are present in both the set x and y, but 2 and 4 aren't present. In such cases you have the two options, either to find those elements which are found in both the set, or we have to find those elements which are not present in both the set. In such cases we can able to use those intersection update and intersection method. For example, here I am going to use I equal to x dot intersection, and I am going to use a y, and after that I am going to print that I, and I just save it and run the program. And now we are going to get the answer, in which it is going to give us a new set, in which it is going to give those values which are present in both of them. Actually we have 1 3 present in both of them, therefore we got answer as 1 3. After that we have another method in which we have the intersection update, and I just save it and run it. Well, here you are wait a second, here we have to update with the x, and I just run that program. Whenever we use intersection, it is going to give us a new set which contain the similar elements between both x and y. When we say intersection update, it is going to update any of those set with the values which are similar in both of them. Here 1 3 are similar in both of them, therefore it is get updated, means one is x is get updated with the 1 and 3 values. And after that we have the symmetric difference update. Here I just remove this thing, and I use symmetric difference update. Instead of this I have to use this, and instead of this I have to use this. Well, we got an exact syntax in which we have the symmetric difference update. Well, it is going to update the value, means the x set with the new values of those which are not actually present in both of them. 2 and 4 aren't present in both of them, therefore it is get updated with the values of 2 and 4. And well, we got answer as a 2 and 4. And next I am going to remove this update, and now it is going to create a new set in which it is going to store a new values. For example, here I have I, and I just run the program. Well, we have the I which is getting updated with the new values 2 and 4, and this is how we are going to go with the new values which are actually present in either both of them or not in both of them in a particular set. Well, do subscribe our channel for regular updates. Thank you.